Somebody commented on the video of this AirCruze, and that is coming from Mr. Ayodele Apata. He said, my problem with these so-called rechargeable fans is the fact that their batteries never last. I have always ended up wasting my money. How much difference is this one going to be? 145,900 naira is not beans. Mr. Ayodele Apata, you are right. 145,900 naira is not beans. In this economy, I know things are expensive and on the high side. You just said the batteries never last. Now, depending on the kind of fan you buy, if it's lead acid, like the ones I've been using too, I've used a lot of rechargeable fans too. Most of them come with lead acid battery. The original one that comes along with it will last you for some time, like maybe 1 year to 2 years, depending on how you use it. But when that one gets spoiled and you go to the market to buy another lead acid, it will never be like that original one, the one that came along with it. I don't know the battery that is inside of the Oraimo AirCruze until I saw your comment and somebody replied you that the real battery is this. I just want us to see it by ourselves. This is first time of tearing down an Oraimo product. Normally, I don't do this. I don't tear down new products. If it is not broken, don't fix it. But with this, I'm going to tear it down. Because of your comment, I'm going to tear it down. So we are going to be looking at the Oraimo AirCruze teardown. We'll be looking at the battery compartment, cables and everything in the Oraimo AirCruze. Let's get down to business. So guys, here is the fan. The first thing we have to do is to release the pole, and I've done that. Now I'm going to keep the pole down here. Let me keep the remote also here, and we are going to flip it over. So here is the base. Let's start with this. So I have to open this guy up. I don't know why Oraimo made this compartment. I don't know why, but I think probably you can get a battery to charge it up or something you can keep here, like the screwdriver that came along with the pack. I mean, this manual, don't know if you can fit into it, and the screwdriver, yeah, you can keep it inside and it will be safe. The screwdriver can actually lose the screws, I think, but it's kind of too small for me, so I'm going to use my screwdriver here. In fact, I have 2 screwdrivers here, the blackhead and the tester, so I'm going to use them. And the second thing we are going to do is to remove this, I think. Let me try and see if it's something removable. Okay, it's actually rubber, which you can see here. I think you can see it from there. So it's something that is removable. So you just have to remove all the rubbers. Underneath them, you are going to see that it comes with screws inside of them. In that hole, there's a screw inside. So you have to remove it. If not, you will not be able to, remove the Oraimo AirCruze base. So let me quickly remove them. And finally, we got the last screw. So before I open it up, I want you to see this guy here. I hope you can see it from there. Now let's open it up. Moment of truth. Let's be careful. Wow. So this is what you are going to see at the base of the Oraimo AirCruze. Let's start with this guy here. So these are the solid metal, I think. Kind of like, not metal actually, but it's something that gives weight to the base. Okay, so that is that. And let's keep that aside. And here you can see the panel. And I think this is where the receptor of the remote, so it's going to relay to the panel. And here is the battery itself. As you can see, this is 4,400 milliampere battery, and this is a lithium battery. Okay, this is a lithium battery, 18,650, 11.1 volt, 48.84 watt hour. So you can see it is lithium, not lead acid. You can see the battery circuitry and everything. Okay, so that is it, guys. You can see what Oraimo made for us. And this place here is the magnet that keeps the remote in place. Okay, so let me show you. This is where you keep the remote and it stays stuck. So that is where the magnet is located. All right. So guys, that is pretty much it. If you have any question, let me know down there in the comment section. So the Oraimo AirCruze comes with lithium battery, not lead acid. And I think this is one of the factors that will convince you to get this guy. Okay, if you have any question, let me know down there.